ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। So the last class we saw the lik shabda and lik shabda saptami vibhakti bhagavachanam. We saw the sutra dasidut 8329. It will get dut agama when C, when sakara follows. Sakarasya parasya vikalpena padantat dakara. That is important. Su adishu asarvanamastane padam. The sutrena datva adeshasya kimbhavati. Then supare sakarasya dakara adesha bhavati. Dasi dut. So this we saw in the last class. So we have optional form litsu atava litsu iti. And one vartikam, yes, I remember where I left. This is a vartikam. I think this vartikam will be more meaningful if we can see in later and connected to another sutra. But anyway, this vartikam, because I already started, I just mentioned what this vartikam says. May not be disconnected. It's okay. In connected to a sutra, we will see that later. I think this is where I start. Sangamitra ji. This is, I think.
Yes, dear. Yes.
So I was referring to even Durga Suktam, I think also. Yes. Yes. So I have not typed of Vartikam. I'll say the Vartikam what it is. First, let us understand what this says. This is only to say this Vartikam is not applied here. Okay. So for that we have to know the Vartikam. Only when the Vartikam is there, then we will know that it cannot be applied here. Anyway, that is So that's why I said that is a connection, but connection is not here. Later, when we see this article, that will be more meaningful. Anyway, just because I started this, let me explain what this article is. This chai letter. Chai is chatata kapai. Chatatau kapai, the first letter of all the classes. The chai letter. When shar letter follows, the chai letter can be optionally replaced by the second letter of that class. Dvitiyaha. So Dvitiyaha, that is the second letter. Chathatha. Then kha. Then pa. This respectively. The Dvitiya Varna. Vargasya Dvitiya Varnasya Adeshaka Bhavati. Optionally. This is according to the Paushkara Sadi Acharya. There was an Acharya, Urvacharya, Prachina Acharya. So, according to Paushkara Sadi, the Acharya, Tasya Mate, Vikalpena Bhavati. Vikalpena Chayaha Stane Varga Dvitiya Varnasya Adeshaha Bhavati Kada Sharpare iti. So therefore, Sambad plus Saraha Atra Takaraha Asti. Takaraha Chaivarnaha. Chaivarnat Param Sakaraha Asti. Shakaraha Sharvarnaha. So therefore, Chayoho Shari. Chayaha Shari, not Chayoho. Chayaha Shari Pare. Kimbhavati Takarasya. That is Tavargasya. Dvitiya Varnaha. Kaha Mahaprana Takaraha. Takarasya Adeshaha Vikalpena Bhavati. Therefore, Samvatsaraha iti Rupam. Right? So this is the Vartika. I will write the Vartika. Now, what is the connection here? If you ask, what is the connection here? Connection is here, we are seeing Lik Shabda. It is Saptami Bhagavachana. Lik Shabda. Okay. There, what happened? Why don't you apply there? So, this Vartika, this Vartika, can it be applied here? If you see Lik plus Su, Hakarantaha Pullingaha Lik Shabdaha, Lik plus Su, Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachanam. First Hodaha is applied. Hodaha is Padanteva atva Jali Pare. Hodaha Dakaraha Adesha Bhavati. Dakarasya Jalam Jashonte Sutrena Dakara Desha Lit plus Su. Then Karicha Sutrena Lit plus Su. Atra Takaraha Asti. Takara is Chaivarna. Chaivarnat Param Shar Varnaha Asti. Now, can we replace this Takara by Takara, Mahaprana? That question may come if we go by this Vartika. Yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
Similarly, for the second form of Saptami Bhagavachanam also, the same question may come. Second form also, here, Lid plus Su. But anyway, here it will not come because here what happens here, Duttagama comes, therefore it doesn't come here. Because Duttagama comes,
Yeah.
therefore doesn't apply here. But It is applied here also. You tell me how it is possible here.
Okay.
How
Maybe
it is?
the takara is turned to an takara.
Here, Duttagama has become Takara. What is that? Takara plus Sakara. Again, the same thing. Chai Farna followed by Shar,
Yeah.
right? That is
Yeah.
possible. But in these two places, it is not applied. If it is applied, then what will happen? If it is applied, suppose if it is applied, then the form would be lit. Sorry, the form would be this. Takara is replaced by Litsu. The form would be here. Similarly, the form here it would be lit plus su is there. So here you will have lit su. The form would be, but this is not the form we have. This is Anishta, not there. Such forms are not there. Okay, so not there. I mark it as red color. It is not there, so you have to stop here. So this is what is correct up to here only. Don't apply this Vartika here and make the Takara to Takara. Vartika is Chai letter when followed by Shar will get the second Varna, Ditiya Varna Desha, that is not applied. Similarly, here also, why it is? Because this Vartikam, where it is there in this sutra, we have to see. This Vartika is not applied here. Why? Because this Vartikam, if you see the sutra there itself, the website, the Ashtadhyayi.com. I'll show you just a minute. Do you see the website?
Yes. Yeah.
There, this Vartika is there for this sutra. Nadinya Kroshe Putrasya 8448. This and what is the Karicha Sutra number? Karicha
8455.
84
55.
8455. This Vartika is located here. Chayaha Dvitiyaha Shari Poshkara Sadehe iti Vachyam. एतत् तृतीयं वार्तिकम् अस्य सूत्रस्य विषये नास्ति, परन्तु महाभाष्ये आचार्यः एतत् वार्तिकम् अत्र एव कथयति। पौष्करासादिनाम्नः आचार्यस्य मतेन चैवर्णात् अनन्तरं यदि शर्वर्णः आगच्छति तर्हि तस्य वर्गप्रथमस्य स्थाने वर्गद्वितीयः वर्णः आदेशरूपेण आगच्छति। यथा तत् प्लसः तत्सहायमादेशः केवलं पौष्करासादेः मतेन भवति, अतः विकल्पेन भवति इत्यर्थः। अंडरस्टैंड दिस? वेदेषु बहुत्र एतादृशः वर्गद्वितीयादेशः कृतः दृश्यते. दट् इस् वै शो द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस दुर्गा सूक्तम्. निर्देश सामर्थ्यात् अस्य अग्रे द्रष्टुं न भवति इति स्मर्तव्यम्. Anyani kanichana udaharanani apsara kshiram etc. That we will see later. So yes. So this we applied Karicha. We applied Karicha. Karicha is 8455. 8455 you applied, right? So finally 8455 is going to be applied. Therefore, with respect to this Karicha, this with the Chartha Vidhi, what we applied, that is Asiddha for this Vartika. That is Asiddha for this Vartika. This Vartika is located, given under 8448 by the Mahabhashyakara. Mahabhashye Acharyaha etat Vartikam atra eva kathayati. That is 8448. Nadinyakroshye putrasya, and under that sutra, Mahabhashyakara mentions this Vartika. Chayaha Dvitiyaha Shari Poshkara Sadege iti Vachyam. But we applied finally 8455 Karicha. So this Karicha, the Chartha Vidhi, it is Asiddha for this Vartikam. Therefore, since Karicha is going to be applied final, therefore you will not have that other form. That is Dvitiya Varna Adesha, that form will not be there. That is the reason. Okay. Why we have Litsu or Litsu. We don't have the form Litsu, the Takara Mahaprana, or even Litsu iti Rupam na bhavataha. We don't have such a Rupam. Because Karicha is applied finally. Therefore, with Chartha Vidhi is Asiddha for this Sutra 8448. And this Vartikam is mentioned here in 8448, Asiddhatvat. So therefore, you don't have that form. Even if that form is there, by applying Karicha, what will happen? You will get Varna Pratama Adesha Eva. And also this is optional. So therefore, Vartika, no point in applying the Vartika. Even if you apply Vartika, what will happen? After that, you have to apply Karicha. You will get this form. Okay. So that is as a side point is mentioned. You understand?
Yes, dear.
I explain again. See, this sutra, that's Vartika, which is mentioned. Suppose the same thing. This Prakriya is not given. I'm just saying for your example, for your understanding. So, lit plus su is there. Okay. Now, if you apply this Vartika, that Vartika is in 8448. If you apply, it become lit plus su. This is optional, Vikalpena, but you cannot stop that. You have to apply Karicha. If you apply Karicha, what will happen? It becomes Litsu. Right? Therefore, it becomes Litsu. So this is a Vartika. The Vartika, since it is optional only, and doesn't stop there, so we don't have to apply in between the Vartika. Directly, what the Sutra is applies first. Sutra we apply first and get the form anyway, because subsequent Sutra, and that too, this is in Asiddha Adhikara. So the later Sutra will come and going to change the form. So you don't have any optional form. If it stops there, then you will have optional form, but doesn't stop that. Karicha applied. So therefore, Litsu is the Rupam. Okay. So this is the point, a side point. Anyway, this is just for your note only. We are going to see this Vartika later. Okay. So the Vartika is Chayaha Dvitiyaha Shari Poshkara Sadeke iti Vachyam. That is the Vartikam. Chayaha Dvitiyaha पुष्कर सादेः इति वाच्यम्.
द्वितीयः शरी.
Yes. So the meaning is Pushkara Sadehe Athena Chayaha Stani. Chayaha is Varga Pratama. Varga Pratama Stani Shar Pare Varga Dvitiya Varnasya Adesha Bhavati. Varga that is the connection. And Chatatha these are Hakaranta Shabda. You can try this Shabdas. Then Upanag. Upanag already we did, I think. Shabda 2. Under this context, we have done Upanag. Upanag from the Nakh Dhatu with the Kip Pratyaya with the Upasarga. Then by this sutra, Nahi Vritti Vrishi Vedi Ruchi Sahi Tanishu Khvau. Khvau means it is quip or quin, but here it is quip only. Kibanteshu Uttarapadeshu. Uttarapada is, if the Uttarapada is this Shabda, any of these words. Nahi is stands for the Nakh Dhatu, Nakh Bandhane, that Dhatu. So Nakh is the Uttarapada. It means what? Must have a Purvapada. Then the Purvapadasya Kim Bhavati? Dirghadesha Bhavati. That is what the sutras tells. 63115. I told you, if you remember, 63111, that is 631, not 111, 631 talks about the changes happens to the Purvapada. So when the Uttarapada is the Purvapada, what all the changes? In Samasa context, you will see the application of the rules in this section. So Nahi Vritti Vrishi Vidhi Ruchi Sahi Tan, all these are dhatus. And the Kov is Kvip Pratyaya, it's a Krit Pratyaya. So Krit Pratyaya gives you a Pratipadikam. Kvip Pratyaya can be added to any dhatu to derive a Pratipadikam. So when these dhatus take the Kvip Pratyaya, then becomes a Pratipadikam. Then Kvip Pratyaya Pareshu. Then and the Uttarapada, these dhatus are there. Uttarapada, the Nakh Dhatu, etc. Then it's Purvapada. Purvapada, it's Dhatu must have Upasarga. But Upasargas are the Purvapada. Then Upasarga gets Dirgatvam. That is what the Sutra says. So we are interested only in the Nakh Shabda because Upanakh Shabda we have to derive. We have derived already. So Dirgatvam Bhavati. Dirgatvam Bhavati means where? Always Antyasya Alahastane. Alontyasya Sutrena Upa Bhavati. Upa becomes Upa. Upanakh. Upanakh is Shu. Upanakh plus Su. And this is Strilinga Shabda. Hakarantaha. Strilingaha Upanakh Shabdaha. This is Strilinga Shabda. We are seeing only Pullinga now. Anyway, this is incidental Hakaranta. Therefore, so Hakarantaha Strilingaha Upanakh Shabdaha. Upanakh, what will happen? Su. Lopa Bhavati. Halgiyabhyam Dirghasutisi Apruktamal 6168. Sutrena Sakarasya Ekal Pratyaha Sakaraha Tasya Lopa Bhavati. So Upanakh. Now Upanakh हकारस्य ओडः इति सूत्रेण डकारादेशः भवति वा? न। वै? नहो दः सूत्रमस्ति वा? What is number? नहो दः. नहो दः सूत्रपाठ. If you see नहो दः
8 to 34.
8 to 35.
8 to 35. अपवाद to ओडः दत्तं न भवति. नहोदः दत्वं भवति. दकारादेशः भवति. नहोदः 8 to 34. नहोदः नः बन्धने. औपदेशिक धातु is औपदेशिक रूपम is नः मूर्धनि नकार. That also nakara becomes datvadehe no naha. What is its number? Where it is located? Naho daha, that nah, that is murdhani nakara, that becomes nah. What is it? Where it is located? Datvadehe no naha. 61 60
658 or 59.
61. It is Dhatvadehe Shaha Saha. After that, 61.
65.
65, 66. Yes, 66 is Lopaha Yorvali. 65 no naha. The preceding sutra is Dhatvadehe Shaha Saha. So remember the section where it is located. That's Shattam and this Nattam. Natvam, Sattam, sorry, Sattam and Natvam. Shattam, Sattam and Natvam. 61, 64, 65, 66. 66 is Lopaha Vyurvali. We will see all the sutras in this section later. So that applied. Okay, coming back here. Therefore, Upanah, then 8 to 34. Dakara Desha Bhavati. Now Jalam Jashante will become Dakara. Karicha, Upanat. So Upanat or Upanat, two forms are there. You can decline. Upanaho, Upanagaha, then Upanaham, Upanaho, Upanagaha, Upanaha. Tritiya Vivakti, Ekavachanam is just simply joining Upanag plus That is Tritiya. Upanaham, then Upanaha. Ta. What sanya this will get? What sanya the Pratipadikam gets?
Ba.
Ba sanya, remember. By what sutra?
Yachibam.
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 Where it is located?
1
Not 1 1, 1 4.
1 4 1 4 17 8.
17. 1 4 17 is Yachibam. Right? Maybe one or two sutra, maybe plus or minus. That number may differ.
Yeah, 1418. Yeah.
That's okay. One Suttinganta Badam is 1414. Suadishu Asranamastane Padam is 1417. Yachibam is 1418. This get Basanya. Because Basanya is important. Because Basanya, therefore, Padakarya, Padantakarya will not happen. So just simply joining. Upanah, that is Tritiya Vibhakti. Ekavachanam, Upanah, Upanaha, Upanah plus Byam. Atra Pratipadikasya Anya Sanya Bhavati. What is that? Upanah plus Bhyam. Padasanya.
Padam.
By what sutra? 1 4?
70. Swadishu Asaranamasthana.
Swadishu Asaranamasthane Padam. Therefore, Padatvad. Therefore, Padantasya Hakarasya Kimbhavati. Odaha. Odaha will apply? No. Upanah. Therefore, Nahodaha 8 4. Apavada 34. Nahodaha takes precedence over the general rule. Dakara Desha Bhavati. Then Jalam Jashonte apply it to 39 sequence. Then after that, one more time you apply just with the number 2. Jalam Jash Jashi. That's why I have written 2 times. That I wrote it before. Okay, anyway. 2 times you have to apply. Upanat plus Vyam. This is just Vidhi number 1 and just Vidhi number 2. Just number 1 and just number 2. Then Upanat Vyam. Then other forms I have not written. You know, Upanat plus and Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam is what's the pratyaya? Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam. What's the pratyaya? 4-1.
Name.
Nye.
Nye.
Nye. Upanage. Then Dvivachanam, same Vyam only. As above. So nothing happens. So Upanag plus Bhagavachanam is 4-3. Bhagavachanam is
Yeah.
Vyaha. So yes, the same thing applies here. Padanta Sakara, finally Sasajishoruhu Ruttame. Then Upanadhyaha. Then Ru. Then that is Repa. Karavasana Yoho. Visarjaniyaha. Upanadhyaha iti. Then 5-1. 5-1 is Upanag plus
Yes.
yeah, just a minute. 5-1 is Ngasi, that becomes Upa Nagaha. 6-1 is also Ngas, that also becomes Upa Nagaha. So this is Ngasi 5-1 becomes Upa Nagaha. Upa Nagaha, Upa Nagdhyam, Upa Nadhyaha. Then 6-1 is Upa Nag plus Ngas. 6-1 becomes Upa Nagaha. Then Upa Nagaha, Upa Nagaho. Upa Nag plus 6-1 becomes Upa Nagaho. Nothing happens, just simply joining because it's Basanya. Upa Nagaho. This is 6-2. Sorry, 6-2. Bhagavachanam is 6-3. Sashti Bhakti Bhagavachanam. Upanaha. Then Upanaha. Then Saptami Bhakti Ekavachanam. Pratyaya is Ni. 7-1. Upanahi. Upanahoho. Same as the previous one. Then Bhagavachanam is Upanag plus Su. Suadeshu Asarvanastane. Asarvanastana is 7-3 is Asarvanastane. Asarvanastane te pare. Parasanya bhavati Upanag. Therefore, Nakodaha can be applied. Upanad Jalam Jashonte. Just with the number 2 cannot be applied because shar letter follows. So Chartavidi. Upanad Su. Tirupam. Then Sambodhana, same as the preceding one, Likshabda. Just copy paste from Likshabda, Sambodhana. Upanad or Upanat, Upanagau, Upanagaha. So it is Upanag plus Su. The form would be Upanad. This is one form. Upanad is another form. So Upanad or Upanat, Upanagau, Upanagaha. So this is Strilinga Shabda. It is done. The next one is Dakaranta, not Dakaranta. Dakaradi Shabda ending with Hakara. Dugdhatu. Dugdhatu, dogdi, dugdaha, duganti. Latlakara rupam. Dug means prapurane, to milk, to extract, to fill. That is the meaning. Adadigana, it is ubepadi. So dugdhatu, if you add kvip pratyaya is zero suffix. Pakaraha is alantyamit. Kakara is lashakatatite. Then E is upadeshe ajrunasika it. Vekhe aprtasya sutrena akarasya pi lopa bhavati. Therefore, it is zero suffix duk plus quip will become duk only. So duk is a pratipadika. Duk is a pratipadika. What does it mean? Duk means
To milk.
to milk is a dhatu. Duk here it is. The milker.
Pratipadikam.
I'm asking the meaning. The meaning is the milker. Kartari krit, right? Vipratyaya is what pratyaya? Vipratyaya is krit pratyaya.
Yeah.
Krit pratyaya added in the sense of karta. So upanak also means the one who binds. Nak bandhane. That is called shoe. Binder. But we have the word, what do you call? Slipper. Prevents you from slipping. That is why it's called slipper. ER. That prevents you from slipping. It's called slipper. So that is also this kartari does the action of binding to the feet. It's always with the feet. Therefore, it's a binder. Right. So that is the kartari krit. Karta pratyaya. So dug is dug means to milk. But here is dogdi iti dug. The one who dug. Adding pi pratyaya denotes the karta. So let me write here. So it will be dogdi. Dogdi is latlakara. Pratham purusha ekavacham dogdi. Second gana, the form is dogdi. Dogdi iti. The one who milks is called what? Dogdi iti. It's called what?
Dugdaha.
Dugdaha means what is milked becomes dugdaha. Here we are dug is the milker, right? The one who milks. So what is of dogdi iti what? You have to write the milker. Already we derived, right? This is what it is. Dogdi iti
Du. Okay.
dug. But this is not correct. Why it is not correct? See, you have to see the previous examples. I think Lig also added kvip pratyaya only. And even the shabda before that is what shabda? Here you see, lik dhatu. Okay, here probably I have not written also here. Lik aswadane, right? So adding kvip pratyaya, you get lik. Adding kvip pratyaya, you get lik. What is it? It is lady. Lady. Okay, what is lady? Lady is the. It is the let form. Okay, lady iti. What? Lid or lid. The one who licks is called lit or lid. This is lit or lid is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam. The liquor, then, right? Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana Rupam is what? Lid or lit. So lady iti lit. Similarly, can you follow what I'm saying? Referring to the person. Understand what I'm saying? It's a Vyutpatti I'm writing here. Yes or no?
It is represented with the karta, right? So shouldn't we add trich pratyaya?
Why? Then why Kartar equip is there?
Oh,
There's so many pratyas are there added in the sense of Karta. Why it is only Trich? Nul also is there, Trich also is there. Then Liu also is there. Many are there.
okay.
Pratyaya is to be added, can be added to any dhatu. This is the Vyutpatti.
Okay.
Vyutpatti of the word. Vyutpatti of the I'm giving the Vyutpatti of the word lit. Lady iti lit. Okay. Now, if you don't understand, I'll give another example. Okay. Rakshati iti. Please tell. Yes. What is that? Parvatiji.
Rakshakaha.
Rakshakaha, we say. There, what pratyaya you had? Dakshadhatu plus
Akar.
nul pratyaya. Nul pratyaya you had, right? We have seen all those things. You know it. You can add nul, you can add trich. Rakshati iti rakshakaha. Karoti iti.
Karaka.
Karaka or karta. You can add trichar, right? That is a Vyutpatti I'm giving. Lady iti. The one lady is what? What is lady?
Lik.
Lik plus tip pratyaya. Okay. Lik plus tip pratyaya. Which gana lik dhatu is? Second gana. Lik plus, if you add lik plus tip, you will get the form lady. Like gum will become gachati, pat becomes patati. Similarly, lik plus tip. Gana vikarana will come for second gana and it will become what? It will become look, goes away. So lik plus t will be there. Hakara followed by gel letter. So what will happen to hakara? Akara, and also penultimate is also e. Therefore, it will take guna, becomes le, and akara becomes dakara. Then ti. What is the form now? Le plus. You have to tell me what will happen. Led plus ti. Kimbavati. After that, I'm doing latlakara now. Okay. How you get the form lady? First, you add the tip pratyaya. Shap comes in between and goes away. Fine. Tip is sarvadhatuka pratyaya, pit pratyaya. Then what happens? Anga upada is angasya upadayaha rasva ik asti tasya gunadesha bhavati le. Then hodaha sutrena hakarasya sthane dakaradesha bhavati. Kimartam katam bhavati jali pare. Takara is jali. So late. Up to this you follow? Yes or no?
Yes, yeah. Yes.
Yes. Then after that, what happens? You tell me. All these things you know. I'm not asking any difficult question. Simple. Whatever we have seen, that only ask. Yes. Ti will, what will happen to ti? Tatoho, jashaha.
Dakara.
That becomes the what sutra? The number.
8 to 40.
40 will apply. After hodaha, you apply that section. And we are going to Purvatra Siddham, right? Siddhatta Adhikara, once you come, you have to say next sutra. So Takara is replaced by Dakara. Then after that, what will happen?
Shtunashtuhu.
Shtunashtuhu will apply. Therefore, what will happen after that? Laid plus D. Sorry. Then what will happen?
Dode lopa.
Dode lopaha and Purvasya hanaha dirgha bhavati. Here Purva is not un. What is the letter Purva is? Is it an letter?
Yeah.
It is not an. An is a, gi, u only. Short an. Here it is a. Therefore, dode lopaha. Sorry, dade lopaha you apply. Therefore, this akara becomes lopaha. Therefore, you will have the form lady. Lady is lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Lady means what? Licks. The one who licks is called lit or lid. This is the Vyutpatti. This is the Vyutpatti. Karoti iti karta, karaka. Similarly, lady iti lit. Now you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, now I remove this. Okay, this is not, this is out of context here. Similarly, here, what we are doing is, Dogdi iti. Can I write Dug? I'm asking. Dogdi. How the word Dogdi comes? That is also same. This gun only. Dug
Dog
plus
plus tip.
tip. Dug plus tip. What will happen? T. Therefore, dog. Dog plus T. Hodaha you apply. Becomes Dakara. Then T. Can you apply Dakara? Dade Datur Gaha will apply. Odaha will not apply. So don't apply that. Okay. Gakara will come. Dog. This is Dade Datur Gaha will apply. Okay. Vadruha Muhashnuhashnikam. There only optionality is there. So dog plus T. Then after that, Jalam Jashonte cannot apply, but just with the number 2 can be applied. Sorry. Yeah, Karicha you can apply. Right? What applies then? The car, sorry, you have to apply this
Yashastatu.
Jashastator Daha you have to apply. That you apply becomes dog D. Then you can apply Jalam Jashon, just the number 2. Jalam just Jashi, dog plus D becomes dog D. That's what I have written. Prathama Purusha, Ekavachanam, dog D iti rupa. Okay, dog D iti duk. Right? Vyutpatti, the milker, the one who milks. But here, can you write duk? No. Why? This will change to duk. Dogdhi iti duk bhavati. How you get duk? How you get duk? That is what we are going to see. Duk is the Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam of duk Shabda. Now this part not required. This is a Kriya Padam. Dogdi iti duk. Now we will see. Hakarantaha pullingaha duk shabdaha. What happens to duk? Duk means the milker. Duk plus su. Su pratyaya is added. Su goes away by 6168. Algiyabhyam dirgha sutisi apruktam hal. Then you have duk hal. Duk you have. Now duk is a padam. Padanta hakara. Kimbhavati. Padanta kara. Dhade dhato ho gaha bhavati. So hakarasya gakara adesha bhavati. Then what will happen after that? Dhade dhator gaha.
Jalam Jashante.
No, don't go there. Let us apply.
Ekacho bashobash.
Very good. Ekacho bashobash. Jashantasya dvoho, that will apply. This dhatu is ekach. Ekach is there or not?
Yeah.
Dhatu having one H. All this we have seen in what context? Ekacho basho bash jashantasya stoho, sandhi context. Don't forget to apply that. Jashastatoho daha, how will you apply? Only when you takara follows. Here nothing follows, right? Tuk only is there. Cannot apply that. So ekachaha, which ending with bash letter, right? Bashantasya, tasya, bash. That is, bash is what? Jabagaradash, there, bash letter. Removing jakara, bash, gadada, bagadada, that letter, bash. That is, dakara is the bash letter. Tasya sthane kim bhavati. This is padante or sakara or dhva follows. Then what happens to that bakara? That is replaced by bash, mahaprana. dhu. If you don't remember, please see the sutra number 8 to 37. 8 to 37 you have to apply. Then only you will get the form duk. Otherwise, becomes duk problem. Duk is dukkam. Okay. Ekacho basho bash yashantasya stoho. Dhatoho yaha ekach. We have seen all this sutra. Yes or no? 8 to 37. In the sutra suchi, you see the list of sutras we have seen. So dhatoho yaha ekach. And that is jashantaha. Jashantaha avayavaha. Jashantaha avayavaha. Dhatoho yaha ekach. Jashantaha. Jash anta. It's avayava of the dhatu. Dhatu having one ach, only one lettered, one vowel, not one letter, one vowel. Tasya, bashvarnasya. What will happen? When the dhatu at the end, padante, or sakare pare, or dvashabde pare. Kim bhavati? This bashvarnasya sthane, bash ade shaha bhavati. So, therefore, you can see here, bashish bhagadada. Bhashis bhagadada mahaprana. Then dhatu must be ending with jashanta. Then its bash is replaced by bhash. When dhatu having ekach, when at the end of the padam, are followed by sakara or followed by dva. That condition is fulfilled here. Here, if you see duk shabda, this is a ekach dhatu. Gakara is jashanta and bash letter is there. Now this is a padam. Now bashastane bash adesha bhavati. Therefore you get duk. Now you can apply. What do you apply? You apply karicha or vavasane. You have two forms. Karicha if you apply duk bhavati. Vavasane optionally duk. Is it clear?
Yes, dear.
Parvati ji, understand this? Ekacho bashobash.
Yes, sir.
We have seen the sutra. The Sandhi context, we have seen the sutra. If you see the
Yeah,
sutra
we have
suchi,
seen, yeah.
in that, okay, this is important section. If you don't remember, please go through this section again and read all the sutras. Chohu kuhu, hodaha, dader dhator gaha, va druha muha shnuka shnika, which we are going to see all the dhatus, all the year, whose pratipadikam we are going to see. Nahodaha, ahastaha, we have seen. Vrascha, Vrascha, Sruja, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Braja, Cha, Sham, Shaha. Chakara ending and Talavi Shakara ending will become Murdanya Shakara, Shatta Vidhi number 1. We have seen Ekacho, Bhasho, Bhash, Jashantasya, Stoho. Similarly, Dadastatoscha, important. This is only for Dhadatu, which also we saw. This is only Dhadatu. Anyway, Jalam Yashonte. Then Jashastatordaha Adaha 8 to 40. So this sutra applies first, 8 to 37. Then Shadoho Kahasi, etc. This is an important section, very important section. You cannot skip this section. You have to know the sutras in this section very clearly. So Dhogdi iti duk bhavati. Okay. Then this is Pratama Vibhakti. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachana. What will be the Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachana form? You can tell me, type. Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachana form is?
How?
Duhau, simple. It is simple. One small note is here. Pivantam, pinantam, dhatutvam na jahati. Yes. Why this is? Okay. If you don't ask this question, I will ask. Duk dhatu is there. Dhade dhatur gaha is there. That is fine. Dhade dhatur gaha is there. Then this, okay, this is, but not in this context. In some other context, I will explain this paribhasha. In this context, it is not there. Pibantam quinantam dhatutvam na jahati. Dhatu taking pip pratyaya, quip or quin, both are zero suffix. The dhatu will not give up its dhatutvam, the status of dhatu. So you can apply the rules related to dhatus. In this section itself, 8 section itself, later, there are one rule is there, not many, one or two rules to the dhatu. So dhatu sanya has to be there. So only when the dhatu sanya is there, then that rule can be applied. Those rules can be applied. So the dhatutvam na jahati doesn't give up the dhatutvam. What? This duk continues to be a padam, as well as it has a status of dhatu. Wherever dhatu sanya related rule to be applied, it can apply that. It is stated wherever it is stated, it can be applied. You can apply it. That is why this paribhasha written. Anyway, this paribhasha is not relevant here. So I remove it. Here it is not required. Then duk plus au will become duhau, 1, 2. Duk plus shas, prathama vibhakti bhagavachanam. Sorry, this is Ditya vibhakti bhagavachanam. Prathama vibhakti bhagavachanam is just. So what will happen to just? Duk plus just becomes dugaha. So duk, dughau, duk, dughau, dugaha. And dvivachanam. Dvivachanam would be dvivachanam. Sorry, Ditya Bhakti Ekavachanam. Duk plus sam will become
Duham.
dugham. Same. Dugham, dughau, dugaha. Same as the Prathama Vibhakti. Here it is out 1. This is 2, 2. Dugaha. Then Tritiya Vibhakti. Duk plus ta. 3, 1. Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam will be dukha. Then Dvivachanam, which I have written here, duk plus bhyam. You see the form here. Duk plus bhyam will become apply dhade dhator gaha. Kakara replaced by kakara. Then what happens to kakara? Dakara, that 8 to 40 you apply. 40 or 40? Ekacha bash. 37. 37 you apply. You get the form duk. Then you apply Jalam Jashonte, just with the number, sorry, not Jalam Jashonte. Jalam Jashonte you can apply. Why not? Yes, because it's a Parasanya. So Kakara replaced by Kakara, Dukbyam just with the number 1. Then apply just with the number 2. You get Dukbyam, Rupam. Dukbyam, Rupam. This is the just with the number 2. So this is just with the number 1. Just from number 1, and this is just from number 2. Yeah. This is Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. What will be the Bhagavachana form? Tritiya Vibhakti Bhagavachana form would be what will the form? Written here, yes. You can do Dugbihi, yes. Form becomes, it is bis that becomes Dugbihi. Other things remaining same. This bis, that sakara is there, that will become Dukhi, Dukhi. And Chaturthi, Dukhe. Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachanam. The form would be Dukhe. That is simple. Duk plus Nye. Duk plus Nye will become Dukhe. And Bhyam is same as the 3-3. Then 4-3 is Byas. That will become, that becomes Duk Byaha 4-3. That is Byas 4-3. The form would be Duk Byaha. Then 5-1. 5-1 is Dugaha because Nasi. Then Bhyam is same. Duk Bhyam, Duk Byaha. 6-1 is same. Dugaha, Dughoho, Dugham. Saptama is Dukhi. Just addition. Nothing is to be done. Dukhi, Dughoho. Then Saptami Bhakti Bhagavachanam is what happens. You see. Duk plus Sup. Kimbhavati. Duk plus Sup. So here what happens is Duk plus Su. And that I will put it properly and then explain. Duk plus Su. Su Adishu Asranamastane Padam. This is a Padam. Fine. Then therefore you can apply Hakara Dhade Dhaturgaha or Jal follows. Hakarasya Gakara Adesha Bhavati Dhade Dhaturgaha. Then you apply it to 37. So Ekkacho Basho Bash Jashantasya Sloho. Applying that, you get Dhakara Adesha in the place of Dhakara, that is Bash Adesha in the place of Bash. Then after that, you apply that Gakara is replaced by Gakara. How it is replaced? Jalam Jashonte. Apply because Padavidhi is there, therefore Jalam Jashonte. Then 8359 you apply, that is Inkoho Adesha Prattayoho Padantasya Sakarasya Pratte Sakarasya Padanta Sakarasya Kimbhavati Murdanya Adesha Bhavati. Here Sakara is Pratte Sakara. Preceded by in or ku letter. Kavarga is there. So therefore Sakarasya Murdanya Adesha Bhavati. Now Karicha you apply. After that Karicha 53, 8453 Kakarasya Kakara Adesha Bhavati. Therefore you get the form Drukshu iti Rupam. Right? The final form is Dukshu, not Drukshu. Dukshu. Duk is a Pratipadika. Dukshu. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt in this? Yes, Ramaji. Sasantaji, doubt is there? Dukshu.
No, no doubt, Ji. Just remember பண்றதுக்கு late ஆகுது.
எது remember பண்றதுக்கு சொல்லுங்க. I'll repeat.
It's okay, Ji. It's
Practice பண்ணணும்.
yeah, practice பண்ணணும் நான் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம்.
Then Sambodhana Prathama is written here the same as the Prathama Vibhakti. Duk, Dukhav, Dugaha. This is Sambodhana Prathama. 8-1. 8-1 is same as the 1-1. 1-1, 1-2, 1-3. Same. So Sambodhana Prathama will be, two forms will be there as we have two forms for 1-1. Similarly. Then Dukhav, Dugaha iti Rupam. So you take this as homework, you try this. Goduk, Ajaduk, Dak, Ashrayadak, Kashtadak. You can take this Shabda as homework and try. What is Goduk? Gam Dogdi. The one who milks the cow is called Goduk. Ajaduk is the one who milks the Aja, the female goat. Dak means what? Dak means the one who burns is called Dak. Dak also the Rupam you have to see. What will the form you can easily find out become Dak or Dak. Try this Shabda. Apply the rules. Try the same format as Duk Shabda. All these are, you can see, all these are Dakara di Dhatu. So Hakara will be replaced by Gakara. Ashraya Dak. What is Ashraya Dak? That is Ashraya Dak is another word for Agni. Dag is also Agni. Dagati iti Dak. Dagati, not Dak. Dagati, that which burns. Need not be Agni, it can be anything. Kashta Dak. Kashta is wood. Kashtam Dagati. Iti Kashta Dak. Kashta Dak it will be. Rupam. You can try this as homework. Take at least any 2 Shabda. Try. Okay.
Okay, yes.
All these are samasa, upapada samasa. Kashtam dagati, ashrayam dagati, dagati iti dak, ajam dogdi, ajaduk, gam dogdi, goduk, go shabda, okaranta shabda, srilinga. Try this shabda. Okay. See, for Ashtadhyayi, you have to remember what you are studying. Then only Ashtadhyayi Sutram would be clear. All this is very interesting. You have to remember many things. At least have the printout of what I taught you. The basic Sandhi rules, other things. See, we are not learning any new rules. We are applying what we already studied. Going to come for the other Shabdas. But here it's just simply apply the rules what we already studied. So it's not that much difficult. Only 1 or 2 sutra may be difficult. Ekacho Bhashovash, you may not remember. Or Jashantasya Sloka also, I think you will remember that because we have applied this many places, many times. Okay, take this Shabda as homework and try. We'll see. We'll see in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.